So good morning everyone and welcome to today's edition of SMS. So I know all of us are busy in GSTAT filing. काफी भाग दौड़ चल रहा है. So but still, as we know that we have been receiving calls from many of our members कि हम लोग एक बार डिफेक्ट्स को लेके क्या बात कर सकते हैं क्योंकि काफी डिफेक्ट्स आ रही हैं और फिर देयर आर सम सिचुएशंस जहाँ पे कि डिफेक्ट अवॉइड भी किया जा सकता है तो वो कैसे सिचुएशन है या क्या करना चाहिए. व्हाट आर द फीडबैक्स फ्रॉम डिफरेंट benches about the defects. So we thought of having today's discussion. So before we start the discussion, I would like to just ask the members whether they have faced any defects till now and how they have, how they have actually, how they have managed to handle those defects.
Arup sir, I think I shared with you personally. In one of the file, we
Yeah,
have wrongly uploaded the annexure of other client actually during that
right.
last minute rush on 29th and 30th. So
Yes.
in one of the while filing the appeal data are fine, but the annexures went of other client. So that was the defect which we only voluntarily made an application to them and stated. And yesterday we had been to Gestat and we tried to understand how we can take. So there is no where they can remove our documents. There is no provision as such where they can delete our documents actually. So what we
Okay.
can do is we have to add the actual documents, and whatever the old documents are there, we have to make an application stating that these are not the related documents, so that those documents can be ignored. So that kind of provision is there, but there's no that's what they said. Gestat doesn't have where they can delete our wrong documents.
Okay.
But they can raise a defect. We
Aruji,
request, yeah.
RPG.
so Aruji, if there's any defect, because here at Jodhpur the bench has not yet started, it's under purchasing of furniture phase, and they would be starting after 1 month. So one query which I would like to ask the members if they have faced that if there is any defect and defect has to whether portal is taking any fees for that.
No fees.
There is no fees for removing of the
No
defects.
fees for defect. What is happening is typically the defects that we have seen is that they are giving us the defects and then we have to refile the documents, upload the documents. That's it.
Acha. And
And in
whether
some cases, they are saying that it's not a defect in the document that you submitted, but maybe submit something you have not uploaded. जैसे कि आपने SCN upload नहीं किया है, तो they are giving the opportunity to again upload the SCN. That's it.
So whether they are creating a defect for non-uploading of the documents like the paper books or other relevant documents, or if the SCN and order are uploaded along with the
No.
OIA.
So Arpit ji, we'll discuss it. Some of the
अच्छा,
effects जो आए ना अभी
हाँ,
तक,
हाँ,
उसके बारे में I wanted to discuss. So before that, if other members also have the experience, वो भी वो discuss करके, then I'll discuss some of the common defects that we are working with 3 benches till now. So from across the 3 benches, some of the defects have come in. So उसके बारे में I'll discuss. Any other member was like Gaurav ji was sharing about a defect, I think, last day in the group.
Yeah. Arupji, we basically got a defect that kindly upload all certified document, more particularly the circulars or notifications that we have used. So there were
Yes.
3 uploads that we had done, out of which 2 were from Civic, one was from TMI. So now we are actually taking the Civic circular and putting it up. But the challenge that we are facing is that when we downloaded it from TMI, it was 2 pages. Now the Civic is 3 pages. So my numbering has gone for a toss.
अच्छा. The paper book number, yes.
The entire numbering has gone for a toss. So now, I mean, I was about to submit the rectified thing on the portal. But then when I heard that the SMS is there today, so I thought better let's understand what the group says and only
Yes.
then go ahead. I still have time to rectify the type and to defect
तो
on time.
गौरव जी उसका जो जुगाड़ हम लोगों ने किया अपने ऑफिस से किया है where the
हाँ.
page number is getting changed that we have added A. जैसे 22 हो गया ना तो 22A we have added and uploaded.
सर वो ए ऑप्शन है लेकिन अगेन विल हैव टू देन चेंज द इंडेक्स एज वेल सो अभी द ओनली कंफ्यूजन दैट वी हैड इज शुड वी चेंज ऑल द डॉक्यूमेंट्स और शुड वी चेंज ओनली द रिलेवेंट डॉक्यूमेंट्स बट देन आई थिंक यू ऑलरेडी ओपाइंड दैट चेंज द एंटायर सेट बिकॉज आई लॉग्ड इन द पोर्टल एंड दे आर गिविंग द ऑप्शन दैट एवरीथिंग कैन बी चेंज्ड.
अच्छा, so here I would like to give my personal experience of appearing before the bench. So I think that would be also relevant to understand why the defects are coming and how the defects should be placed. So how the hearing has actually happened is happening is as we discussed earlier in our SMS. अगर अर्पित जी आपको अगर ध्यान है तो इनिशियली हम लोगों ने चालू किया था डिस्कशन अबाउट जीस्टैट का appearance and all
हाँ
these things we discussed. तो इसमें क्या हो रहा है कि before the members there are two systems. One system is to see our videos just like we are seeing now in the Zoom call right now. अगर
हाँ
गैलरी व्यू में है तो आपको सबका वीडियो दिख रहा होगा. Along with that they have a system जहां पे कि अपना सारा डॉक्यूमेंट जो हम लोगों ने अपलोड किया है वो सिस्टमेटिकली रखा हुआ है. Like the grounds of appeal, show cause notice, order, facts, prayers, और जो जो आपने वो सिनॉप्सिस डाला है APL 05 में, everything is appearing on the system of the member. तो एक सिस्टम के राइट हैंड साइड में है जहाँ पे उनको वीडियो दिख रहा है, एक सिस्टम के सामने है जहाँ पे just like with this, you know, like this I'll just show you. Like with this, we have this pen, right? So like stylus का पेन है, उनके पास भी मेंबर्स के पास ऐसा एक पेन है, and they can go to the exact जगह जहां उन्हें जाना है. Suppose I'm discussing about the order कि my lords in order page number 4 ये लिखा हुआ है कि you know the hearing has not been granted. They have not given me the hearing date. देखिए hearing का date mention नहीं. So what the member is doing is he or she is going to the page of that order from the system only. So there is no hard copy. That is the first thing that I wanted to share. Because now also many members are coming to the bench with a hard copy of the paper book and they are trying to think that, you know, they just give the hard copy, you know. So that is not there. So from this perspective, we have to understand that whenever we are addressing any defect, the defect should be addressed with this thing in mind. कि जो भी हम लोग अपलोड करेंगे वही मेंबर को दिखेगा. तो हम लोग जितना why Gaurav ji we are telling to upload everything is that it will be more systematic for the member. Because when you go through the paper book ना फिर आपके लिए भी रिप्रेजेंटेशन में बहुत इजी हो जाएगा कि my lords in other document I have uploaded the paper book which is you know this page is there. तो इसलिए we are uploading everything together. Because yesterday only not yesterday on Tuesday in the Kolkata bench there was a matter wherein they had uploaded the things but it was not visible to the member properly because all the page number then firstly they had not given the paper book. एंड सेकेंडली क्या होता है कि जब आप ऑर्डर कर रहे हो ऑर्डर का पेज नंबर बाद में होगा, शो कॉज नोटिस का पेज नंबर पहले होगा, अपील ऑर्डर का पेज नंबर बाद में है, तो देयर इज लॉट ऑफ कंफ्यूजन. सो दैट्स व्हाई वन सजेशन इज टू कीप दिस थिंग इन माइंड कि द मेंबर विल नॉट हैव एनी हार्ड कॉपी एक्सेस. ओके, इसलिए देयर इज वन फनी थिंग आल्सो दैट इज यस्टरडे जब जी स्टार्ट का साइट डाउन था, यू मस्ट हैव रियलाइज कल सुबह 1 बजे तक जी स्टार्ट का साइट काम नहीं कर रहा था, तो 1 बजे तक कोई हियरिंग नहीं हुआ है किसी भी बेंच में. So that's why everything is system driven. तो ये एक चीज हम लोग ध्यान रखना है. And second की paper book I think is must from the practical experience that we have gathered while appearing before the bench. I think paper book is something is must एकदम.
Anup ji,
Anupra,
there are two questions in this regard.
Ah.
Firstly, how you came to a defect has been issued, whether it will come in the authorized representative mail ID or client email ID only. Yeah, we have
Acha.
to again log in and see.
Yes.
Secondly, at the time of filing all the appeals, we have uploaded everything PDF wise. Say,
Ah.
firstly the order in appeal, second the OIO, then the appeal filed, then the OIO, then the show cause notice, and then the annexure,
Annexures.
and the compilation of the judgments. So,
Ah.
whether a single PDF of all the documents was to be uploaded or separately after the
No, that is नहीं, that Anish जी हम लोग वही suggest कर रहे हैं कि in any other document upload the entire paper book again, the complete compilation, जहाँ पे पेज नंबरिंग सीरियल रहेगा.
मतलब एक से अगर 400 पेज नंबर है तो ऑल 400 पेपर
हाँ, आप तो 300 पेज तक कर सकते हो एक में,
हाँ
तो
300
400 होने से 2 में करना पड़ेगा. बट इट इज माई सजेशन दैट कीप एवरीथिंग इन वन प्लेस. नहीं तो जब आप आर्ग्यू करने जाओगे ना तो इट इज बिकमिंग वेरी कम्बरसम कि ऑर्डर में जाइए उसमें जाइए देखना. और अगर पेपर बुक में है ना तो हम लोग तो एंड another interesting thing is this bookmarking thing. It is also helping a lot.
yes
Because the member is putting his stylus and we are telling my lords it's on this thing, you know, it's order in original में है, order in appeal में है, या फिर मेरे compilation on document transport document में है, तो they are going to that and they are seeing it. Now coming to your first query कि हमें defect के बारे में पता कैसे चल रहा है. It is the two options are there. One option is to log into the taxpayer's ID, appellant का ID. वहां पे आपको ऊपर में दिखेगा deficiency और registered. अगर डेफिशिएंसी है तो डेफिशिएंसी का आपको वो निकल जा रहा है क्या क्या डेफिशिएंसी है. अगर डेफिशिएंसी नहीं है देन इट इज सेइंग रजिस्टर्ड. तो
Okay.
उसमें जैसे आप क्लिक करो तो उसमें वो भी आ जा रहा है कि आपको एडिशनल क्या क्या फाइल करना है। जैसे आई थिंक गौरव जी हैज गॉन थ्रू दैट और यू हैव गॉट अ मेल आल्सो।
Basically, Arupji, I got an SMS on my mobile number. The
हाँ,
client got the SMS on his mobile number and also an email. So it was
Both
नहीं,
properly
email.
notified. हाँ,
आई नो,
Both emails.
हाँ, नोटिफिकेशन इज
अब वो
कमिंग,
तो जो भी AR
नोटिफिकेशन
है सब
कमिंग।
कुछ जा रहा है. Like for example, if I have added 4 ARs in my appeal, all 4 of them are getting the SMS.
Oh, great.
तो इंटीमेशन प्रॉपर आ रहा है. एक केस जो मैंने देखा तो वी आर गेटिंग प्रॉपर इंटीमेशन. रुद्रा, आपने जो कहा कि यू अटेंडेड दिस कोलकाता बेंच हियरिंग एंड they were using that stylus and going exactly to the point. My query was that does the portal allow the members to put notes on the paper book or document that we have filed? Because what I have seen is that
यस
whenever in
यस यस
tribunal,
यस यस
in
यस।
tribunal, they basically take notes for subsequent hearings, and when the next hearing comes, they pick it up from there. So that option is available, na?
So that option is available to them. They can actually mark the place. Suppose I'll just give an example. जैसे कि फेक क्रेडिट का मैटर है एंड आपने
हाँ.
ईबे बिल, वो इनवॉइस, ट्रांसपोर्ट डॉक्यूमेंट, पेमेंट, लेजर वगैरह दिया है, so they can actually mark that this is eBay bill, this is the,
हाँ.
the transport documents, relevant transport documents. They can do that. But हाँ,
Because hard
they,
copy में हमेशा वो लोग नोट बना के या फ्लैग लगा के डाल देते थे कि this is there, and whenever you go for the next hearing, they'll pick it up from there. क्या बताइए
yes.
इसमें आगे क्या हुआ? So that option is there, so that will help.
So that option is there. What we are seeing is they are marking there only on the system itself. And I guess on the right hand side also they have a separate panel जहाँ पे वो लोग लिख सकते हैं, because they are writing also something.
And one more question, I don't know whether I should ask or not, but will this notes become a part of the public record when we are filing the subsequent appeal? Take an example, we lose this and we want to go to High Court. This will not be available to anybody of us, right? Okay. Yeah.
कहीं नहीं होगा, चाहे कोर्ट में भी नहीं होता, स्टैट में, आईटेट में, कहीं पे नहीं होते, इट्स पर्सनल नोट्स।
Basically, just to showcase that this particular point was highlighted by us, but was blatantly ignored by the appellate
So in that
authority.
case, what we do, just to give you a practical example, what as a counsel we can do, like I was handling a anti-profiteering matter before the principal bench. So there the issue was that the complainant, he is not appearing in any of the hearings since the inception. 2018 में उन्होंने 2018 में उन्होंने कंप्लेन किया, आज 2025-26 है, एक भी हियरिंग उन्होंने अटेंड नहीं किया। तो we are requesting the members to mention that in the order कि we have taken this ground, though as per the bench that ground is not, maybe not a sound ground, not a logical ground, not a reasonable ground, but that is what we can request कि maybe this ground should be noted, because so that when we go to the higher forum, say if I lose this matter before the Honorable GStat and I go to the Honorable High Court, then I can take that ground, that this was some ground that I had taken in the written submission, as well as I had pleaded this ground also. कि the complainant was never present, so it's becoming a harassment tool. Anti-profiting is becoming a harassment tool. तो इसलिए मुझे anti-profiting का benefit नहीं देना चाहिए and things like that. तो like that we can do. अगर fake credit का matter है, for example, या cancellation का matter है, and I'll just give you a live example. There is a cancellation matter where the registration has been cancelled because when the inspection happened, so they saw an office which is only 5 feet by 6 feet. तो बोल रहे इसमें 4 से ज्यादा आदमी नहीं बैठ सकते हैं, तो इसमें 100 करोड़ का बिजनेस नहीं हो सकता है, right? So this is something that we told them, that how is it becoming reasonable? So we request you to have that in the order also.
Maybe they did not visit Bada Bazaar in Calcutta, so they don't know what can happen.
So that is how we can do it. Arpit, you want to share something? Add
No,
on to
Arupji, I was just asking you that there is a president order of the president that you only need to upload these documents and the
Right.
appeal will be admitted. So
Right.
whether they are asking for further documents for admission of the appeal, and they are raising the defects, or they are admitting the appeal and then asking for the other documents.
So here I'll be very frank. What they are saying is that जो relevant है bench के लिए वो तो आपको देना पड़ेगा. Like in one instance, what has happened in the show, it's with another professional from Calcutta. What has happened is the show cause notice, DRC-07, or even the detailed show cause notice does not have any detail. Okay, like what are the descriptions? It just has a mere thing. But DRC-01 में सारा डिटेल है कि 1-3B का मिसमैच कैसे आया, आपका RCM क्यों पेमेंट नहीं हुआ, आपका वो 3B मतलब आया, सॉरी ITC कौन सा आपका डिजला हो रहा है, everything is given. So in that case, I think the bench is logical to ask कि आप DRC-01 भी दो.
No,
So
no.
it is something
What I
that
am
wanted
asking
to.
is, I have
Yeah.
supposedly DRC 1A 17 notice, intimation, everything, OIO, everything is uploaded.
हाँ.
But supposedly say invoices are part of the paper book. They have mentioned as an annexure, but they have not been uploaded while filing of the appeal.
Right.
Now, the president order is that you have to upload only these documents, or appeal would be admitted, no defect would be raised. So whether they
Right.
are raising the defects for the other documents other than the mandatory document which have been uploaded.
Yes. So if you are mentioning कि you are relying on the invoices, that we are submitting the invoices and the e-way
हाँ.
bill copies, transport document, payment proof, ledgers, and आपने अगर upload नहीं किया है, तब they are saying. अगर आपने ग्राउंड में नहीं लिया ये पॉइंट कि वी आर अपलोडिंग, वी आर अटैचिंग, वी आर रिलाइंग ऑन, ये अगर आप नहीं बोलते हैं तो दे आर नॉट आस्किंग. बट आपने अगर ग्राउंड में बोल दिया है कि यू नो आई एम वी आर रिलाइंग ऑन द इनवॉइसेस and all these things which we have placed before the adjudicating authority, before the first appellate authority, still they have not taken that into consideration, and you are taking all those grounds 75(6) का कि you know basis of decision नहीं है, they have just randomly rejected the appeal. तो उसमें they are asking कि सर आपने खुद ही ग्राउंड पे लिया है बट आपने अटैच नहीं किया, तो कल अगर बेंच मेंबर पूछेंगे तो कहाँ से मिलेगा ये?
No, so then in that case, the order does not have any relevance, the president order, because ultimately they are treating it as a mandatory document.
बैंडेड नहीं, बट इसमें एक लॉजिक भी है. देखिए कल अब जब
No,
हियरिंग में
no.
जाएंगे.
What they could have done is they could have admitted and then asked for further submission during the course of appeal, because these are relaxed guidelines up to 31st of December. So post 31st December, everyone understands that all these documents are to be uploaded. But prior to that, once they have issued the presidential order that the
हाँ.
appeal would be admitted, and then subsequently, if we reply, ultimately the understanding should be that appeal would be admitted, and subsequently before the hearing, it can be submitted before the bench so that it can be considered. But if they are treating that these have to be uploaded at the time or before the appeal being uploaded, then in such case that presidential order does not have any meaning.
That does not have, but I think it is relevant also. क्यों देखिए
No.
एडमिशन हियरिंग जब होगा तो डिपार्टमेंट विल आल्सो रेज दिस ग्राउंड, नो? एंड अच्छा, देयर इज अनदर थिंग, इन मोस्ट ऑफ द केस एडमिशन हियरिंग इज आल्सो हैपनिंग. ओके, मतलब तो एडमिशन हियरिंग में ग्राउंड डिपार्टमेंट विल रेज दिस ग्राउंड कि इन्होंने बोला कि वी विल एंड इस पे रिलाई किया बट दे हैव नॉट गिवन एनीथिंग. So again, it goes to square one. So bench members will say, why you have not given complete set of documents? नहीं, अर्पित जी, मैं यही बोलना चाहता हूँ कि अगर आपने नहीं लिखा ना कि आप रिलाई करना चाहते हो, फिर कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
In that case, anyways, for that, the presidential order was not at all needed, because if
हाँ.
I am not relying, so why would bench would be requiring that?
Right.
Only the presidential order was required that if I am
presidential order
relying
might
upon.
be, नहीं, in my view, presidential order is given for affidavits. फिर ये जो DRC 01 है, ASMT 10 है, ये अगर आप नहीं भी देते हो फिर भी चलेगा.
No, they have
All the set
mentioned
of
the
documents they
5
will ask.
documents. They have
हाँ,
mentioned the 5 documents.
5
These are
documents.
only
हाँ.
the mandatory documents for admission.
नहीं, बट आई वुड फेवर दिस बिकॉज वो तो मेरे फेवर में ही है, बिकॉज अगर कल जाके डिपार्टमेंट एडमिशन
No,
हियरिंग में
no.
मना कर देता है.
See, whatever appeals which are being uploaded, as of now, everyone has sufficient time to upload that. But whatever has been uploaded in June, in that cases, not everyone was able to upload all the documents.
नहीं नहीं
Hmm.
नहीं, उसमें दे आर इशूइंग अ डिफेक्ट एंड फिर
Hmm.
उसको हम लोग अपलोड कर दे रहे हैं उसमें.
ठीक.
कहीं से अगर गलती से छूट गया कुछ तो दे आर डूइंग दैट.
Hmm.
एंड बट इसमें और एक चीज भी है, आई वुड आल्सो लाइक टू इंटीमेट दैट how the defects are happening, how the defects are working out, as we have been given to understand. It is that when we are uploading, it is first going to the nodal officer of the respective wing. मतलब अगर CGST का है तो CGST, अगर SGST का तो स्टेट टैक्स, नोडल ऑफिसर के पास जा रहे हैं to check 3 things, which is the pre-deposit, the court fees, and the basic documents. If it is okay with that, then only it is coming to the bench for acceptance. And there is a time limit. मतलब I think it is around 7 days का time limit दिया गया है. अगर उसमें acceptance नहीं हो रहा है, then they are doing it. It's coming directly. It is then the nodal officer is not doing anything. It's coming to the bench. So कभी-कभी क्या हो रहा है कि ये जो documents है, it is also being asked by the nodal officer also. कि इन्होंने तो ये बताया but इन्होंने अपलोड नहीं किया, तो हम लोग बाद में कैसे इसको फॉलो करेंगे? So that is also again another challenge.
Prior to that, Arupda, we have seen that at the time of filing appeal, there was no option to select the bench. हम
हाँ.
बेंच सेलेक्ट नहीं कर पा रहे थे. तो
हाँ.
प्राइमरली गुजरात के जो मेरे सूरत
अभी
के
अभी
appeal
हाँ.
से अहमदाबाद गए हैं, सूरत बेंच में नहीं गए. तो दे विल
Right.
ऑटोमेटिकली, तो दिस इज अ प्राइमरी फर्स्ट डिफेक्ट दैट दे नीड टू फर्स्ट सेंड इट टू दिस.
नहीं, वो तो होगा आई थिंक, बिकॉज the challenge is like in West Bengal, we are lucky we have only single bench. But
No, you have
in
three
other
benches,
states
you are
like
super lucky.
Maharashtra, Gujarat, yeah, multiple benches are there, yeah. So that problem will happen. Now
That
they'll
is
have to
happening.
reallocate to the other benches.
हाँ.
So that will be done by the, according to the commissionates, I think they'll be doing that.
The another issue is my client has a GST number in Ankleshwar and an GST number at Maharashtra, Mumbai, at Gujarat and Mumbai, both has. Now the Bombay officer has passed the order, which is a multiple co-notice orders. Now we have selected the Bombay Commissionerate and filed the appeal.
Acha. So it's a common adjudicating authority order.
Yes, yes, and the
Okay.
GST number uses Vadodara, Ankleshwar. Now what will
Okay.
happen to that appeal?
नहीं DGGA का order था,
हाँ, DGGA,
initially DGGA का order था, and the highest demand is with Maharashtra.
Maharashtra.
So we have the adjudication was done by Maharashtra only, and appeal also we filed with Maharashtra,
Yes.
right? So here we are taking the stand is that we are filing it with the principal bench, and we are taking a leave from the Maharashtra bench. We are filing a miscellaneous application in Maharashtra bench, saying that this particular appeal concerns multiple states because of the order of the Common Adjudicating Authority. But since there is no clear guideline, we are filing it with the principal bench, and we are taking a leave to file it with the principal bench. Because otherwise you have to file it with all 10 or 9 branches, jahan bhi we hai, which is a challenge.
Yes, yes,
So
that's what we are facing.
now we have actually we have filed representation for this to give clarity on this. कि अगर मेरा first appellate authority Maharashtra hai, then whether I should go to the Maharashtra GSTAT bench, respective GSTAT bench, or to the principal bench. Ideally, since in one place they are saying ki, where the legal issues involve multiple states, it should go to the principal bench. So taking that analogy, we are filing it with the principal bench. But with the leave, we are also filing into IA with the Maharashtra bench, saying that this appeal order emanated out of Maharashtra only. Okay. But since there is no clarity as to where the appeal has to be filed, we have for the time being filed it with principal bench.
So how you are filing the leave application, manually or
कौन सा?
जो आपने महाराष्ट्र में एप्लीकेशन फाइल किया तो that you have filed manually the leave application?
हाँ. नहीं, not manually. इसमें ना temporary ID लेके.
Oh. So there are two temporary IDs, one filing the
हाँ.
appeal and second the leave application.
या फिर वो महाराष्ट्र के आईडी में भी आप डाल सकते हो. महाराष्ट्र का तो आपका है. महाराष्ट्र का आईडी में भी आप डाल सकते हो. But
So
इसमें I think they will bring in clarity very shortly.
very
Because
short.
काफी
Any
matters है.
defect has been issued in this regard till now.
हाँ.
Is there any defect in this regard has been issued?
अभी no, we have not
Let
got.
the
We have
clarity.
filed 2 such appeals. अभी तक तो defect कुछ आया नहीं है because there is no clarity on this. But yeah, we have been told कि आप principal bench में ही file कीजिए because this will involve matters which will have legal implication in more than one state. तो उस logic से आप file कर सकते हैं.
One more defect out of syllabus regarding our fees. Initially, the fees we have quoted to our client was filing fees plus hearing fees. Now we are thinking that there is a defect in our fees system also. Hearing fees has to be taken decided afterwards, after 2 years, 3 years, or 1 year when the hearings come. So what is the view of that part of defect?
नहीं, that is तो common. वो तो high court practice, state practice कहीं पे भी common है. Filing का fees अलग हो गया, hearing का fees तो will come. But yeah, again, hearing will come fast because matters कम है तो अभी hearing मुझे तो लगता है जल्दी आ जाएगा.
Great.
अर्पित जी, आपका क्या view है about the fees? I think
it is the biggest dilemma because no one knows how they would be hearing how much admission defect and everything would be going on. Because ultimately, what I was asking just as of now, here the assistant registrar at Jodhpur, what he has said that you just upload these mandatory documents, we will admit and we will then let you file the additional document. So this was communicated. So once, as you have said that the other benches are treating like this, so he would also now treat like this. So there would be more defect hearing, there will be more admission hearing before the actual principal hearing.
to be very frank on this, we have told the clients that we are not charging any fees for admission hearings.
That the client will say that, sir, it is your part, filing part. You cannot charge hearing.
Actually,
वो तो है.
Arupta Gaurav here, you mentioned
Yes,
regarding
sir.
that the appeal is getting referred to the nodal officer and to
Yes.
come back. So, I mean, any observation that, because what I have seen here in Gujarat, that the unit office from which the OIO or DRC-7 was issued, they have no information or access regarding the appeals being filed by us. And after
Yes.
30th June, these guys are out in the market for recovery. If we don't know whether you filed the appeal, and they are coming to the premises of the dealer, knocking, give us the proof, otherwise we'll start recovery process. And when we ask them, बोले we don't have access, we can't help it. हमारे साहब ने बोला है, लिस्ट लेके निकल गए सड़क के ऊपर सर वो लोग.
नहीं, इसका मैंने कल ही अपना कैलकाटा बार एसोसिएशन में एक मैसेज डाल, कल नहीं परसों एक मैसेज डाला अपना कैलकाटा बार एसोसिएशन में कि देयर आर टू सिचुएशंस. वन, इसका अपील ऑर्डर आपके 31 मार्च के पहले आया है, तो उसके लिए तो सर्कुलर वाला डिक्लेरेशन बाइंडिंग है, तो आपको देना ही पड़ेगा कि वी आर फाइलिंग द अपील, आपने अगर नहीं फाइल किया है जो भी. एंड दूसरे कि अगर आपका 31 मार्च के बाद है, तब भी आप तो वो सर्कुलर बाइंडिंग नहीं है, बट आपको इंटीमेट करना पड़ेगा. सो व्हाट वी हैव टोल्ड आवर बार मेंबर्स इज मेक इट ए पॉइंट कि जितना भी अपील आपने जी स्टैट में फाइल किया है या नहीं किया है, इन दोनों में आप रिकवरी ऑफिसर को आप इंटीमेट करके रखो, बिकॉज द प्रॉब्लम इज मेनली विद द स्टेट. आपका सेंट्रल में हो रहा है कि स्टेट में हो रहा है? ये मेनली
स्टेट में हो रहा है, स्टेट में हो रहा है. सेंट्रल में तो कुछ पड़ा ही नहीं है सर यहाँ पे.
सेंट्रल में दे हैव दिस मैकेनिज्म जहां से दे आर गेटिंग दिस टैग वेरी फास्ट. जैसे इवन फॉर द हियरिंग्स, विद ऑल ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट, सेंट्रल DRs दे आर अपीयरिंग, ठीक है ना, दे आर अवेयर, दे आर अपीयरिंग, बट इन स्टेट द मैकेनिज्म्स हैव नॉट बीन सेट येट. तो इसलिए प्रॉब्लम क्या हो रहा है कि आपने जो अपील फाइल किया है, नाइदर द एडजुडिकेटिंग ऑफिसर नोस, अथॉरिटी नोस, नॉर द रिकवरी ऑफिसर आल्सो नोस. तो इसलिए एटलीस्ट इन वेस्ट बंगाल we have told all our bar members कि आप, because why we have told this, recently 2 of our clients, मतलब the circles, 2 of the clients, their money has been recovered even after the GSTAT appeal is filed, but उनके पास एक लेटर आया था saying कि हम लोग रिकवरी करेंगे, तो they didn't respond thinking कि मैंने तो अपील फाइल कर दिया. तो जब अपील फाइल करते डिपार्टमेंट को पता चलेगा तो they will not do recovery, but we are telling कि नहीं, we have to do proactive. So if you are getting a recovery notice, firstly फाइल दैट रिप्लाई सेइंग दैट हम लोगों ने जीस्टैट का अपील फाइल कर दिया है, प्री डिपॉजिट पे कर दिया है, और अगर आपने फाइल नहीं किया तब भी बताइए कि हम लोग प्री डिपॉजिट पे कर चुके हैं, अभी अपील फाइल करने वाले हैं. इसके अलावा आपके पास
I have an experience that typically in Andhra Pradesh, wherein we had proactively informed the unit office that we are aggrieved by the first appeal order and we shall be filing the second appeal. In spite of that, they were insisting on depositing the entire tax amount, interest and penalty, कि हमको फंड्स का कमी है, आप प्लीज हेल्प कीजिए, आप रिफंड ले लेना. We didn't agree. They debited our bank account, took the money and put in the cash ledger. And then they were insisting you do a DRC-3 and give it to me or adjust against demand. We filed a refund order and got the refund back. Well, we are not going to pay.
Those things, I think, they need to take it up with commissioner, sir, or madam, whoever is there.
जॉइंट कमिश्नर व्हाट्सएप पे धमकी देता है कि तुम हमारा काम में रोड़ा अड़ा रहा है, मैं तुम्हारे लिए केस कर दूंगा. आई हैव रिटन चैट्स विद मी. The matter went up to CC. The CC spoke to me and then granted the refund back.
Yes. So that's what suggestion to all the members is that if you are having such an issue where जहाँ पे कि आपने declaration file किया है and आपने recovery officer को intimate किया, उसके बाद भी हो रहा है, then I think we should intimate the highest authority. If it's the CC sir, then CC sir or madam, they should be intimated.
Hello,
Rubda, another defect which.
Hello.
एक मिनट अनिश जी, या बोलिए. हाँ राजीव जी बोलिए. राजीव जी बोलिए.
हाँ सर, मैं ऐड करना चाहता था जो ग्रीवेंस एड्रेसिंग है अब गौरव जी के लिए, ये इशू वहां पर जरूर लिख के दें.
हाँ, आपकी आवाज नहीं आई. राजीव जी क्या बोल रहे हैं?
ग्रीवेंसीज रिड्रेसल कमेटी की मीटिंग है जो वहां पर रिस्पेक्टिव स्टेट की होती है, की मीटिंग होती है, उसमें ये इशू जरूर रेज करें.
अच्छा, जीआरसी में रेज करने के लिए बोलते हैं.
पक्का करें तो ऑन रिकॉर्ड लिखें.
बट गौरव जी तो नहीं, प्रॉब्लम है गौरव जी तो है गुजरात से और इशू है आंध्र प्रदेश का, तो उनका तो शायद
आई डोंट हैव अ ग्रीवेंस एनीमोर, बिकॉज़ रिफंड वापस आ गया सर.
आंध्र में भी रेज हो सकता है.
So the recovery was to the extent of 1.22 crore, sir.
ये तो गौरव सर, ये
ओके।
राजेश सर बोले ऐसा और किसी के साथ नहीं हो, इसलिए वो मीटिंग में रेस कर
हाँ
लो
हाँ,
ऐसा।
हाँ,
अच्छा
या
अच्छा, राजीव जी का सजेशन इज गुड, आई थिंक। या तो वी कैन ऑल प्लेस इट बिफोर द लोकल जीआरसी जहाँ भी हम लोग हैं, कि दिस रिकवरी शुड नॉट हैपन। एटलीस्ट आप अगर रिकवरी कर रहे हो उसके पहले आप देख लो कि जी स्टैट में अपील फाइल किया कि नहीं। एंड आपको कैसे पता चलेगा? लाइक वी वर स्पीकिंग टू वन ऑफ द ऑफिसर्स, वी टोल्ड कि आप उसमें चले जाइए ना, डिमांड रजिस्टर में। उसमें आपको दिखेगा कि हम लोगों ने प्री डिपॉजिट पेमेंट करके रखा है, तो वहां से आप देख सकते हो क्या।
हमने
अनिल
सर
जी आप।
ये रेज किया था इशू कि
हाँ हाँ,
सर्कुलर को इम्प्लीमेंट है,
राजीव जी, योर
सर्कुलर को
वॉइस इज
इम्प्लीमेंट
नॉट
किया
कमिंग।
जाए, लेकिन जो
राजीव जी आपका वॉइस नहीं, आपको
टेक्नोलॉजी।
शायद एक बार लॉग आउट करके लॉग इन करना पड़ेगा।
हेलो।
हाँ, अब हम लोग वी हैव गॉन बैक टू द कोविड डेज। एम आई ऑडिबल?
हाँ,
या
अब आ रहा है सर?
बोलिए सर, बोलिए।
हाँ जी सर, ऐसा है कि हमने ये बनाया था इशू कि जो सर्कुलर को इम्प्लीमेंट किया जाए, लेकिन जो
हाँ
उसमें ऑफिसर्स को ये डाउट है कि 100% लेना है, इट इज 10%। इसका एक ऑफिस ऑर्डर निकालिए कि यू में इंसिस्ट ओनली अप टू 10 दैट प्री डिपॉजिट अमाउंट, नॉट मोर देन दैट। सो
सर,
फिर
सर्कुलर
ऑफिशियली
निकाल दे इसके बाद और क्या करेंगे? सर्कुलर निकाल दे इसके बाद।
लॉ इज वेरी क्लियर, तो भी वो लोग नहीं मान रहे तो नहीं मान
हाँ,
रहे।
तो उससे क्या। अनिल जी
Another
आप।
defect, another defect mode which I am foreseeing is the appeal has the primary defect that they wanted the name of the officer. Say who has passed the
रेस्पोंडेंट
order,
रेस्पोंडेंट, हाँ।
responded. Responded, I don't know why the appeal was asking the name of the officer and the
हम्म,
designation both.
हाँ
And in those cases where the name of the officer has been mentioned personally, say Mr. Meena has passed the order, we have mentioned Mr.
हाँ
Meena. Now the name of the respondent is coming as Mr. Meena.
हाँ
Similarly, for departmental appeal, if department has filed the appeal, the officer
हाँ,
ID is used to file the appeal, the
यस
applicant name
यस।
is coming that. So that
Say
will be a huge
just to
defect. And
just to interrupt you for 1 minute, in Calcutta bench when it started, for the first 7 days we saw only one person's appeal is coming. What is his name? Atanu Mandal. Atanu Mandal, what is this? Atanu Mandal. बंदे ने कितना appeal file किया इसके लिए? कितने matters है? Then we realized that these are all departmental appeals being filed, and the person who has filed, his name is Atanu Mandal.
yeah,
हाँ
so this
बोलिए।
is also a very big challenge because all miscellaneous application would now be need to be filed for changing that name of the appellant or the respondent.
Right.
And
नहीं,
secondly,
but miscellaneous application, I think if they issue a defect, उसमें भी आप change कर सकते हो ना?
a defect or a miscellaneous application, because in
हाँ हाँ,
Surat, when there was Surat 1 and Surat 2, now the commissioner merged to Surat in
yes,
2016 or 14 restructuring. Now all the miscellaneous application has been filed presently for changing the name of the respondent.
just that, हाँ 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 हाँ,
This stat में, so I thought same
right.
analogy would apply here. Either defect, no defect, or
नहीं, वहां पे तो 500 है ना, यहाँ पे 5,000 है।
तो मतलब अगर अपने पर्सनल नाम लिख दिया है एजुकेशन अथॉरिटी का, तो 5,000 पे करके उसको चेंज कराना पड़ेगा।
But having said that, in some of the cases where we have seen, especially in central, ये जो प्रॉब्लम आया था, तो उसमें क्या हुआ कि दे आर सेंडिंग इट टू द नोडल ऑफिसर एंड गेटिंग इट टैग टू द प्रॉपर ऑफिसर।
पर आइडियली
बाद
द
में जब ऑर्डर निकलेगा तब क्या होगा, वी डोंट नो, बट एटलीस्ट फॉर द टाइम बीइंग हियरिंग में दे आर टैगिंग इट विद द प्रॉपर ऑफिसर।
But ideally, the appeal form should change. Why is it required the personal name of the officer passing the order? The designation would be
आप
more than.
एपीएल 05 का बोल रहे हो? हाँ,
हाँ,
इनफैक्ट दैट इज अ चैलेंज ऑल्सो, क्योंकि पर्सनल वो अगर ऑफिसर चेंज हो गए, दूसरे लोग आ गए, तो फिर क्या होगा? उनके पास वो
और
भी
उनका
कहाँ है?
फोन नंबर और ईमेल आईडी भी मांग रहे हैं। फोन नंबर हाउ यू
हाँ,
द
इन
पर्सन।
वन स्टेट,
नहीं है,
इन वन
वो
स्टेट आई थिंक
मैंडेटरी
केरला।
नहीं है।
हाँ,
मोबाइल नंबर, ईमेल
मैंडेटरी।
आईडी सिलेक्ट एंड लीव इट।
I think I don't know whether Padma is here or not, but in Kerala they are asking for this phone number and email ID of the officer also.
Arupji,
So
whether
that is it.
anyone has received a defect for document being translated to English?
Yes, good question. I have not received. I have filed in 3 states, but I have not received. Any other person who has received, any other member who has received
But
translation?
in Surat, the registrar told to file in English also, because here Honorable Sanjay Mishra sir is there who don't understand Gujarati. So he are clearly told to file the English translated copy also. The registrar has told us personally.
अच्छा, तो मतलब डिफेक्ट आ रहा है आपका, मतलब
नहीं,
किसी ने
पर्सनली
लिख के।
बोला है, अभी डिफेक्ट स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ है, पर पर्सनली बोला है कि आप ट्रांसलेट फाइल करो। तो वी हैव अपलोडेड अ ट्रांसलेटेड कॉपी, थैंक्स टू
ओके,
गॉड। वो उसने थोड़ा ट्रांसलेट कर दिया, we have certified it and
Thanks
submit.
to Claude and also to the president's honorable president's order saying that अगर दोनों मान जाते हैं, मतलब मियाँ बीवी अगर राजी है, काजी कुछ नहीं करेंगे. So if we and the department we both agree to the translation done by Claude, that is okay.
Right.
और अगर नहीं होता है तो
But
that
we
makes
have
everybody
done
happy.
it and we have also notarized it by the advocate. Then both has been done it as right.
So पहले we had to rely completely on the translator. Now we can rely partially on the Claude and then on the translator to verify. Because recently in one of the Bihar orders, so I was told कि sorry in show cause notice I was told to file the reply in Hindi. तो हम लोगों ने पहले इंग्लिश में ड्राफ्ट किया reply. Then we translated in Hindi in Claude. We sent it to the client. Client said, sir मेरा तो हिंदी में ही पूरा पढ़ाई है, but इसको मैं पढ़ नहीं सकता हूँ. और this Hindi is too शुद्ध. आप किसी ट्रांसलेटर से करवाएंगे. तो Claude का वो भी इशू है कि वो भी देखना पड़ेगा. It's too fine, too super fine. Coming back to Arpitji's question, anybody who's received the defect like Ashish ji, sorry, Anish ji has said that ये उनको बताया गया कि करना ही पड़ेगा उनको गुजरात में, सूरत में करना ही पड़ेगा कि आपको ट्रांसलेट because one of the bench members is not from Gujarati background, so he will not be aware about the local language.
It's for the regional languages, it's understood, but for translation of the Hindi to English.
नहीं वो तो नहीं, देखिए बिहार में फाइल के बिहार अभी तो आई थिंक कुछ आया नहीं है.
हाँ, अभी तक तो मेरे हिसाब से चालू ही नहीं होगा. बिहार है, जैसे राजस्थान में अब प्रेजेंटली जोधपुर जैसे चालू नहीं हुआ, जयपुर में भी कोई 30-40 अपील एडमिट हुई हैं.
अच्छा,
मतलब डिफेक्ट्स वहां पे बेसिक, जैसे ये इधर अभी शायद जी स्टैट उतनी वैसे फंक्शनल नहीं हुआ है जैसा कुछ जगह जैसे आपके कोलकाता में वो चालू हो गया है या कुछ जगह जैसे आ रहा है, तो वैसा इधर हुआ नहीं अभी तक.
कोलकाता में नाउ वी आर हैविंग 2 benches, so
हाँ.
धीरे-धीरे चल रहा है मतलब. I'm not saying proper hearing सब में मैटर में हो रहा है, but at least the ball has started rolling and वो 2 hearing okay, फिर 3rd hearing में आना पड़ेगा. All these things have started. Now I'll come to some of the other defects which are being shared, which we have got from different members only. So one is like non-submission of legible copy. This is again a big thing. तो वो जो अपील का था, मतलब फर्स्ट अपील में आपने जो फाइल किया या फिर अपील ऑर्डर, मतलब आपने वो फर्स्ट अपील का अपील 01 along with all सब ग्राउंड्स एंड ऑल सबमिट किया, बट वो लेजिबल नहीं है, या फिर ऑर्डर का जो कॉपी है वो लेजिबल नहीं है. सो दैट इज अगेन वन क्वेरी, वन डिफेक्ट व्हिच हैज कम कॉमन फॉर अराउंड 6 to 7 members. तो दैट इज अगेन समथिंग आई थिंक दैट नीड्स टू बी लुक्ड इनटू कि वो टीम मेंबर्स को ये बताए कि जो भी कॉपी अपलोड हो रहा है इट शुड बी लेजिबल. और अगर लेजिबल नहीं है, बिकॉज इन मेनी केसेस आई एम श्योर जस्ट लाइक वी हैव फेस्ड द सिचुएशन जहाँ पे कि मैनुअल ऑर्डर मिला है, वो भी फोटोकॉपी का फोटोकॉपी मिला है. मतलब मैनुअल ऑर्डर पहले क्लाइंट के ऑफिस में गया था, वो खो गया अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्लाइंट नहीं है. फिर हम लोगों ने डिपार्टमेंट से सर्टिफाइड कॉपी मांगा, डिपार्टमेंट से कि हम लोग सर्टिफाइड कॉपी देंगे बट वो जेरोक्स का जेरोक्स होगा क्योंकि हमारे पास ओरिजिनल कॉपी नहीं मिल रहा है. तो दैट इज बिकम वेरी इनएलिजिबल. तो उसको हम लोगों ने फिर से ट्रांसक्रिप्ट करवाया. So that is again something we can do. अगर the order copy is not legible because of some genuine reason, जैसे अपने में हम लोग नहीं मिल पा रहा हम लोगों को legible copy of the manual order, तो हम लोगों ने उसका ट्रांसक्रिप्ट करवाया. जैसे हम लोग हाई कोर्ट में भी करते हैं ऐसा कि कोई भी कॉपी है, जैसे वैट के काफी ऑर्डर्स हैं जो कि एकदम लेजिबल नहीं है, तो हम लोग जब हाई कोर्ट में जाते हैं तो हम लोग उसको पूरा ट्रांसक्रिप्ट करवा के फिर हम लोग उसमें साइन करते हैं कि ट्रांसक्रिप्शन किसने किया. अगर हम लोगों ने वेरीफाई किया तो हम लोग करते हैं. वी कैन डू दैट ऑल्सो हियर इन दिस स्टैट. Okay, then another defect is वो भी बहुत funny है. It is like part documents are being uploaded. That is the defect being said. Why? Because show cause notice या order का क्या है कि 2 पन्ने नहीं है suddenly. हम लोग तो ये सोच रहे थे उनको टाइम कहाँ से मिल रहा है इतना डिटेल में जाने का. But yes, ये भी क्वेरी आ रहा है कि this defect query is also coming कि आपका जो order copy है, suppose it is of 17 pages और उसमें आपने 3 pages नहीं डाले हैं, नहीं है इसमें कॉपी में. अनिश जी आप उसमें हो, म्यूट में हो.
नहीं नहीं, मैं कुछ नहीं बोल रहा था, ठीक है.
तो दैट इज वन थिंग कि आपका अगर ये आ रहा है. अच्छा देन अच्छा डिफेक्ट्स इन ऑथराइजेशन एंड वकालतनामा. इसमें क्या हो रहा है कि वकालतनामा ये आई डोंट नो हाउ इट इज हैपनिंग बट इट इज हैपेंड, इट हैज कम फॉर. वकालतनामा है अरुद्दास गुप्ता के नाम पे और एआर जो साइट पे है वो अर्पित जी का नाम है. ये फिर जो है एआर उन्होंने साइन नहीं किया. ऑल दिस डिफेक्ट्स आर आल्सो कमिंग. तो इसलिए हम लोगों को टीम मेंबर्स को ये सर्टेन करके बोलना पड़ेगा कि हड़बड़ी जितना भी हो, हमसे साइन कराओ, वकालतनामा, लेटर ऑफ ऑथराइजेशन जो भी है वो हमसे साइन करवा के फिर ही आप अपलोड करो। इतना भी हड़बड़ी नहीं है कि विदाउट दैट अपलोड कर दीजिए, या फिर हमारा नाम, जहाँ पे मल्टीपल पार्टनर्स, एक्चुअली ये प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है कि सपोज हम और अर्पित जी सेम फर्म से हैं और वकालतनामा मेरे नाम पे आया है, बट अर्पित जी का नाम वहाँ पे AR में आ गया है, तो वो भी डिफेक्ट आया है, तो उन्होंने बोला कि उसका आप चेंज कर दो। एंड व्हेन वी आर डिस्कसिंग दिस, आई आल्सो वांटेड टू पॉइंट आउट अनदर इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग जो कि हम लोग फेस कर रहे हैं, दैट इज देयर वाज अ क्वेश्चन रेज्ड इन डिफरेंट व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप्स कि ये मेमोरेंडम ऑफ अपीयरेंस जो है GST 04, इसका फंक्शन क्या है। तो इट्स लाइक द हाजिरा दैट वी यूज्ड टू गिव इन सेस्टैट, मेमोरेंडम ऑफ अपीयरेंस दैट वी यूज्ड टू गिव इन सेस्टैट, यहाँ पे भी इन GSTAT बिफोर द डे ऑफ योर हियरिंग, ओके, एज सून एज यू गेट द, अच्छा हियरिंग नोटिस हमें कैसे मिल रहा है? हियरिंग नोटिस मेरे टैब में आ रहा है, इफ आई एम द AR एंड आई एम टैग्ड एज AR, तो मेरे टैब में भी आ रहा है, एंड क्लाइंट के टैब में भी हियरिंग का वो नोटिस आ रहा है, कितने कितने तारीख को आपका हियरिंग है एंड इतने बजे, एंड ऑल द थिंग्स आर कमिंग। तो जैसे ही आपके पास हियरिंग नोटिस मेल पे भी आ रही है, तो जैसे ही आपको हियरिंग नोटिस मिल रहा है, आप क्या कर सकते हो, आप अपना जो टैब है, मतलब जैसे अरूप दास गुप्ता का टैब हो गया, तो मैं उसमें जाता हूँ, उसमें लॉग इन करता हूँ, तो मुझे दिखाता है, ओके, कि ये कनाडा लेदर्स जो है आपका क्लाइंट, इनका हियरिंग है कितने तारीख को, 16 तारीख को इनका हियरिंग है। तो मैं वहां पे जाके क्या कर सकता हूँ, ऐड डॉक्यूमेंट बोल के एक जगह है, वहां पे जाके मैं अपलोड डॉक्यूमेंट करके मैं अपना मेमोरेंडम ऑफ अपीयरेंस अलॉन्ग विद वकालतनामा फिर से अपलोड कर सकता हूँ। तो ये एक चीज जो है, एटलीस्ट कैलकाटा बेंच इज requesting to upload the memorandum of appearance before the date of hearing. So that's, I think, other benches also follow suit. So that's why whenever you get a hearing notice in your portal, so you need to take out this GST 04 memorandum of appearance, और उसमें आप डिटेल फिल करके आपको साइन करके, जो भी गूगल और if it multiple, then multiple persons who are authorized, all of them have to sign the MOA and then upload it along with the wakalatnama or the letter of authorization. So that
Aruji,
is,
if there supposedly if there are 3 persons mentioned, one is a senior and 2 are the juniors. Just to have that, if the senior is somewhere else, so junior may appear and take the adjournment or do whatever.
yes.
So in that case, whether they are issuing the defect, the rest of the 2 members name has not been added on the GST portal, GST80 portal.
नहीं
As
वो
an
नहीं आ
AR.
रहा है, वो उसका नहीं आ रहा है, बट
उसका
यू
नहीं।
कैन ऐड मल्टीपल ARs, लेकिन
But you can add, but you want that communication to one AR is sufficient, and the others might appear. Although Vakalatnama they are adding, they are signing. All the 3 persons are signing.
नहीं, इसका नहीं किया है। आई टेल यू व्हाई इसका नहीं किया। जैसे इन वन ऑफ आवर मैटर्स द सीनियर एडवोकेट इज गोइंग टू अपीयर,
Yes.
तो सिंस द सीनियर एडवोकेट कैन नॉट टेक अ वकालतनामा, तो वी हैव नॉट एडेड हिज नेम, बट उनका मतलब इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो रहा है।
So you only need to add one, but the rest of the other persons can appear even though they are not added.
यस। तो अपने भी, लाइक इन आवर फर्म आल्सो वी हैव एडेड सम ऑफ द टीम मेंबर्स इन द वकालतनामा, बट उनका नाम ER में नहीं है, उसमें भी डिफेक्ट नहीं आया है, और रजिस्टर्ड भी हो गया है।
So, Aruna, a question on this. For example, you added name of 2 partners in as AR, and you also have Wakalatnama for 4 partners. Take an example. So,
Right.
if the other 2 attend, will there be a defect that will be notified, or we need to file a miscellaneous application for adding the other 2 as well?
No, ideally, you're saying those 2 will appear, or they'll appear
I mean,
four of
there might be a situation where the hearing is there, the 2 people whose name is added as AR are not available for attending the hearing, but the other 2, one of the other 2 partners can attend. So will we have to file a miscellaneous application, or
No. In that case, no. They are just seeing the letter of authorization and the memorandum of appearance.
So if the Wakalatnama is there and the name is mentioned on that, if AR is not added, it is good.
Yeah, that is what they are not. Only thing is that उनका नाम नहीं आएगा ऑर्डर में।
हाँ, वो ठीक है सर, ऑर्डर आने से मतलब है सर, नाम से क्या करना है?
नहीं, that is no, in सेस्टैट हम लोगों ने देखा, वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि मेरा
हाँ, वो
नाम
I
तो नहीं।
appreciate in some cases, I appreciate that because that is the only level जहाँ पे हमारा नाम आता है। उसके अगर हाई कोर्ट जाते हैं तो एडवोकेट का नाम नहीं आता है सर, हमारा नाम लेफ्ट आउट हो जाता है।
तो GSTAT में दैट इज लाइक सेस्टैट में फिर भी तो क्या है कि आप अगर उसमें नहीं है, बाद में ऐड करके आपका नाम आ जाता है। GSTAT में वो नहीं होगा, अगर यार का नाम नहीं लिखा है, देन आई थिंक उनका जो नाम ऑर्डर में है, फाइनल ऑर्डर में, वो नहीं आएगा। दैट विल बी ओनली थिंग।
Arubda, is there any query received with relation to non-judicial stamp paper or judicial stamp paper
For the
for
wakalatnama,
Wakalatnama?
yes.
Because
Wakalatnama has to be filed according to the local stamp act. जैसे हमारे यहाँ पे क्या है कि हम लोग को नॉन जुडिशियल वो लगाना पड़ता है 10 रुपया का, तो जिन लोगों ने नहीं लगाया उनके पास जा रहे, इट इज वकालतनामा इज इनकम्प्लीट बोल के जा रहे, वो तो ये बताएंगे. हाँ,
Aruji, only 10 minutes are left. Let's discuss the token system which has been introduced.
यस. अच्छा, मैं जस्ट 1 मिनट में एक बार जस्ट देख ले तो और कोई बड़ा
हाँ,
डिफेक्ट है कि
हाँ.
अच्छा नहीं, 2 more things I think I should discuss. एक है, दूसरा जो बोल रहे हैं कि इनकम्प्लीट स्टेटमेंट ऑफ फैक्ट्स एंड ग्राउंड्स. तो फैक्ट्स में कभी कभी क्या हो रहा है कि सपोज आपने 3 पेजेस ड्राफ्ट किए बट 2 पेज चला गया, या फिर आपने मतलब ग्राउंड्स में लिया है कि डीजीजीआई का एक वो हुआ था, इन्वेस्टिगेशन हुआ था, उसके बाद इन लोगों ने किया 6(2)B का ग्राउंड लिया है, बट फैक्ट्स में ये आपने कहीं पे मेंशन नहीं किया है. ठीक है. सो दो वी हैव रेज्ड वन थिंग दैट वेदर in the review of the defects, this is within the jurisdiction or not. ठीक है. We have taken that whether this falls within the jurisdiction, because it's my personal prerogative how to set my facts of the case and grounds of appeal. But one view is that देखिए, अगर आपका ग्राउंड में कुछ ले रहे हैं वो अगर फैक्ट्स में मेंशन नहीं है, then it may be confusing for the bench later on. तो काइंडली गिव द फुल फैक्ट्स एंड ग्राउंड्स उसमें अगर देते हो, एंड अगर आप ग्राउंड्स भी देते हो तो आपने बताया कि मतलब प्रेयर में आपने बताया कि वी हैव गिवन सो मेनी ग्राउंड्स, ये 1 to 8, और आपने सिर्फ 4 ग्राउंड दे दिया, तो उसमें भी इशू है. एंड अच्छा, नेक्स्ट लास्ट इज टू मोर थिंग्स, रॉन्ग पेजिनेशन ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंट्स. तो ये दिस थिंग समथिंग व्हिच दे हैव शोन इट टू अस. इसमें क्या हो रहा है कि आपने उल्टा सीधा पेजिनेशन कर दिया, मतलब वो जैसे आपने, क्योंकि पहले ऐसा था कि ऑर्डर अपलोड करना है, फिर वो शो कॉज नोटिस, फिर अपील ऑर्डर एंड ऑल, तो वो जो है रैंडम पेज नंबरिंग हो गया, जिसके लिए बाद में प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. तो उन्होंने रिक्वेस्ट किया कि आप पेज नंबरिंग एटलीस्ट, अगर आप पेपर बुक फाइल कर रहे हो तो पेपर बुक फाइल कर दीजिए, नहीं तो आप पेज नंबरिंग एटलीस्ट कुछ सीरियल ऑर्डर में कीजिए, ताकि ये बेंच मेंबर्स को डिटेक्ट करने में ईजी हो. एंड द लास्ट थिंग विच इज, कुछ लोग सेल्फ डिक्लेरेशन फाइल कर दे रहे हैं प्री डिपॉजिट में विदाउट गिविंग द प्रॉपर सपोर्टिंग, जैसे कि आपसे रिकवरी हो गया है, या फिर आपने हाईकोर्ट के ऑर्डर पे पे किया है, या फिर आपने खुद से पेमेंट कर दिया 20-30% ऑन द प्रोटेस्ट. तो बोल रहे हैं कि आपने सिर्फ सेल्फ डिक्लेरेशन देने से नहीं होगा, उसका एविडेंस क्या है, क्यों आपने वो आपको पेमेंट नहीं करना है, क्यों एग्जम्पशन है, उसका भी डिटेल. So these are some of the defects that have been faced by the members. So I think it will be helpful for others that we just keep this in mind. So maybe defects will not come.
Just a query. 31 members are here, and most probably all are from different cities. So, in which cities the GSTAT has actually started working? Just like Kolkata, it is started. ठीक है ना? So Jodhpur, it is not yet started. It is clear.
Bombay has also started. If you have members from Maharashtra.
See,
Raipur it will be starting by 27th.
so whether they have issued the notices for defects or admission for 20.
Right now they have accepted, majorly all defects has been removed.
अच्छा, all defects are removed without any hearing.
Almost the hearing, so the जिसका hearing fix हुआ है उसका defects तो remove हो गया है. और even for the one of the queries which has been raised here, that for the respondent you want to mention the name of the commissioner, but here the bench has said that you can mention the post, the principal commissioner or the commissioner of the state, it will be suffice.
Yes.
That is what we are also doing here. We are not.
We are doing the same here. Because we know that the commissioner will transfer in the next 1 or 2 months. So most likely it will create a problem for us also. So we have mentioned the designation only, not a name.
Right.
One thing I wanted to know regarding the departmental appeal copies. Department has filed the appeal. We have not got the copy of the appeal filed and no access to anything. So anybody has got the copy of appeals filed by the department.
नहीं, वो तो ऑनलाइन में आपको मिल रहा है ना.
कहाँ पर मिल रहा है सर?
नहीं, पर अरुण जी, in that case कैसे मिलेगा, क्योंकि मेरा तो कोई आईडी है ही नहीं GSTAT पोर्टल पे.
हाँ.
तो कहाँ से मिलेगा वो?
अच्छा, right. That is again another valid. It is suggested, like though it is not physically possible, but we have suggested कि for the RTPs जिनका आपका फर्स्ट अपील फेवरेबल आया है, उनका GSTAT का आईडी करके रख दो. But anyway, that is a separate thing. आपको आईडी क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा, then it is because आप नहीं तो सीओ कैसे फाइल करेगा?
अरुण जी, the question is
आपको तो
कि मेरे को
फाइल करना है ना.
मेरे को पता नहीं चलेगा कि मैं क्रिएट क्यों करूं?
नहीं, आपको एसएमएस नहीं आया क्या? एसएमएस या मेल नहीं आया क्या? आपके
नहीं
पास
पर
एक SMS मेल
नहीं
आएगा आप हाँ,
Arup ji, the question is that in this case, what would you treat as the date of receipt? Because one may have filed an appeal, but if it is defective, only upon
हाँ,
admission, then the final number would be given. So ultimately,
हाँ,
that date for 45 days or 30 days should be date from the date of admission.
right.
So the date of admission has to be communicated along with all the documents which have been filed by the counterparty. Only then the respondent would be able to file the MOC or the reply. So, in my
Yes,
opinion, whatever appeals they are accepting for hearing, how they can do, because if they have not given the time period of 45 days of filing of cross objection, of 30 days of filing of reply, they cannot start hearing even after admission.
they are not also. They are not starting the hearing.
But
So typically in West Bengal and Assam, what is happening is we are getting a mail saying that an appeal has been filed against you. तो फिर हम लोग जाके पोर्टल में वो क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, वहां पे हम लोग अपील दिख रहा है, देन वी आर फाइलिंग द क्रॉस ऑब्जेक्शन.
अपील दिख रहा है आपको वहां पर ऑल
हाँ,
डॉक्यूमेंट्स?
यस, देन आपको क्रॉस ऑब्जेक्शन फाइल करना पड़ेगा. एंड एज अर्पित जी हैज राइटली शेयर्ड, अगर आपको नहीं मिला है, आपको कल मिला है, हियरिंग के एक दिन पहले मिला है, यू कैन गो एंड टेल द बेंच कि हमको जस्ट अभी मिला है, माय लॉर्ड्स प्लीज गिव मी 4 weeks टाइम फॉर क्रॉस ऑब्जेक्शन. दे आर गिविंग इट. उसमें सी द बेंच इज आल्सो, with all due respect, in all we are humbly saying that across benches everybody is trying to cooperate with us, everybody is trying to help us. Actually, it's not like too rigid right now, both for both the sides, for the appellant as well as the department. The bench members, they are trying to also understand our situation ki जैसे आपने बताया मेरे केस में अपील फाइल हुआ, मुझे मालूम ही नहीं है क्रॉस ऑब्जेक्शन कहाँ से फाइल करें.
So
So that's why
just
those things are giving liberty.
I
हाँ,
just
Vikas
want
जी
to
बोलिए.
know. Yes, I just want to know from the forum that how much appeal is filed against the central or a state. In our state, what we have seen yesterday only, I have talked with one of the representative of the central GST in the gested that almost 80% of the cases are from the state against the state only, and 20% only from the center. Even the cause list that has been released by them for 4 days, all the matters are pertaining to state only, not a center. I have seen that, for example, I have a 3 case for the against the center. So it is routing through Bhopal. Bhopal is the jurisdiction for us. So, for example, Chhattisgarh belongs to the other state, Madhya Pradesh. So I discussed with them that there is delaying because that the different state is routing to the Chhattisgarh. So they said that it will come later on, but right now only state notices are on, show cause notice or hearing notice are coming only for the state, not the center.
नो, इसका विकास जी जेनेसिस तो 2017 में है, जब एलोकेशन हुआ था 90-10 का हुआ था ना.
Yes. For the smaller amount, yeah.
तो वो तो लिटिगेशन वैसे ही है. एंड अभी लेकिन एक चीज मजे का है, एक स्टैटिस्टिक मजे का है. अपीलेंट जो अपील फाइल कर रहे हैं उसमें 80% स्टेट का, हमारे यहाँ पे भी वही से है, और 20% सेंट्रल का है. बट
Yes.
डिपार्टमेंटल अपील का पोजीशन रिवर्स है.
Yes.
सेंटर
Yes.
फाइल 90% ऑफ द अपील एंड स्टेट इज फाइल 10%.
State having less of competent person to file appeal against the order.
वो लगता है कि लिटिगेशन खत्म हो गया तो खत्म करते हैं.
हाँ.
सेंट्रल की रिफंड
No,
वगैरह
even sir, what we are seeing that state is, since the state having a revenue pressure across the country, that's why the appellant authority is not having a guts to give the favorable order in favor of the SSC. So
वो भी
because most of the cases, what we see that the commissioner, the IAS, who represent the state GST, has a very control over the authorities, and they don't want to give appellant authority give the favor in the case of SSC. But in the case of central, we see the guts they have to give the order in favor of SSC.
Not about guts. There is in Surat any 74 section matter and section 130 matter. The appeal officer
Okay.
of GST had bluntly tells कितना भी अच्छा merit हो, we are not going
Yes,
to
yes,
give the
yes,
order
yes,
in
yes,
favor.
yes, yes.
So this is an
We have a
unwritten
direction
rule
that we
which
cannot
the
give you
senior
favor.
has
You have to go
got.
again.
Again, we
Yes,
know the
I
case
told.
is on our favor. The 130 will not apply. Then also they are telling no. Get the order and go to tribunal. I don't know
हाईकोर्ट जाइए, हाईकोर्ट.
where
अभी तो ट्राइब्यूनल. हाँ,
when if you to say him thank you, हम जिस्टेट जाएंगे वहाँ पे उनको फीस मिल.
Arup ji, there are two questions from Sujata ji
हाँ,
in the
सुजाता मैम.
message box.
हाँ, सुजाता मैम आजाद. So one is about अगर डिफेक्ट क्यों नहीं होता है, then it will not result in rejection of appeal because it is being put before the bench. Then they are saying कि वो defect hearing बोल के defect आ रहा है कि why the defect cannot be cured. तो वो जाने के बाद if we can address, then it is being addressed. वो directly rejection नहीं हो रहा है. And the other query is about if the director mentioned as appellant who gets OTP is not present, can the appeal documents be signed? So I think in our, at least we are taking the view that the documents can be signed by any of the directors, not necessarily the authorized signatory who is there in the GST portal. What is the view of the others, Arpit ji or Vikas? Sujata ma'am का question है कि the director जो authorized signatory है, he is traveling outside India, so he cannot give OTP for whatever reason. तो हम लोग जो documents बाकी हैं वो सब we are getting it signed through some other director. I think that is fairly okay, but इसमें कोई problem नहीं है.
To support this, board resolution would also work. कि if any board resolution is passed,
हाँ, later on, like
that
all
all
the
the
authorities will
documents-
come on it.
I think somewhere
Right.
it is mentioned that the board resolution is suffice.
Yes.
Yes, that will work.
So yeah, Sujata ma'am, so you can get a board resolution also, and who is authorized to sign that particular appeal petition.
Yes.
Roopji, I think there was a clarification that a authorized signatory also can file the appeal. Authorized signatory, if it is a authorized signatory in the GST portal, can it?
Yes.
Even if he is not director, he is
Yes.
the manager or something like that, he can also file the appeal. I think there is some authorized signatory.
Even some auto population is going through GST portal from the GST portal for that. Authorized representative name and mobile number and contact also flowing from the GST portal. That is what I have seen in one of the cases.
Authorized, I'm talking of
yes.
authorized signatory.
Yes, authorized signature. Yes, sir. Yes, I know. For example, for a few cases, the manager and the finance accounts manager also giving their name
yes,
and
yes.
They are also authorized.
Because in CSTAT, director has to file in CSTAT, but in
Okay.
GSTAT, I think authorized signatory can
Yes.
sign the document. Huh, sir?
Yes,
Roop
to
sir.
me also. Yes, I agree with that.
Sir, one thing more, sir. Roop sir, in one of my cases, I deposited the money through Bharat Kosh, but that failed. Ultimately, it failed. Okay. But my appeal was accepted naturally after the 72 hours period. No, I am requesting the help desk to assist me that how I can redeposit that amount. But I am not getting any resolution for that.
नहीं, आपने पैसा जमा किया फिर क्या हुआ?
रिवर्स आ गया
72
मेरे
hours?
अकाउंट में.
Okay.
मेरे अकाउंट में रिवर्स आ गया. मैंने कहा मेरे को वापस जमा कराना भाई, मुझे कोई तरीका दो, मुझे कोई वो दो. वो कोई नहीं दे पा रहा. मैंने 2-3 बार रेज कर दी है क्वेरी अपनी.
आपको फिर से पेमेंट करना है ना? मतलब
हाँ.
आपके अकाउंट में वापस आ गया.
हाँ,
तो फिर से पेमेंट चाहिए.
नहीं कैसे कर सकते हैं? वो लिंक नहीं ना, देयर इज नो लिंक बेसिकली, नो.
ऑफलाइन मोड में जाके पे कर सकते हैं. ऑफलाइन मोड
नहीं, ऑफलाइन मोड पे करके
वही कर रहे हैं.
हाँ जी
सर, ऑफलाइन मोड में पेड कर सकते हैं सर. जाके डायरेक्टली आप ऑफलाइन मोड में जाके पेमेंट करेंगे, वहां से लिंक आएगा आपका, वो जिसका नंबर रेफरेंस नंबर आएगा, यू कैन कोड देयर एंड यू कैन गेट द डिटेल्स.
इनफैक्ट आई वुड टेल द हाउस की वही कीजिए, उसमें आपका फटाफट हो जा रहा है.
सर, एक ना इसमें प्रैक्टिकल चैलेंज आई फेस्ड वन प्रैक्टिकल चैलेंज व्हिच विल बी सॉल्यूशन फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस. फॉर एग्जांपल व्हाट वी हैव डन कि एक केस में सर हमारा 12,000 इज अ ड्यू फीस, राइट? समहाउ द अमाउंट इज अराउंड 11 lakh कुछ समथिंग लाइक दैट. तो द मोर सपोर्ट द टीम हैज created a challan of 13,000 and paid, right? 1,000 extra. So portal is not accepting that payment. Bharat Kosh payment has been approved, successful, and all that. Because we have admitted few amount, so the amount has been crossed 100 rupees less than the basically 12,000, right? So it fees is around 12,000. So what the practical solution that provided by GST helpline, that you mention the reference number of the payment and mention only the amount of 12,000, not the 13,000 you have paid. Then also it is accepting that. They had not replied how to get the refund of 1,000, but they said this is the way we can do. So even for the less amount, if you paid, then you can go for that also. If it is working, I think.
विकास जी,
वो तो फिर तो बाकी पेमेंट करना पड़ेगा.
But later on we can do the payment. Right? Later on we can.
विकास जी,
And इसमें और एक चीज मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ that whenever you are making any payment to Bharat Kosh ना, give one unique phone number ताकि बाद में आप वो चालान वहां से डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं.
Yes.
So what is happening if you say I give my phone number for all the payments, then what happens is tomorrow कोई भी पेमेंट का चालान वो क्लाइंट को कुछ भी है प्रॉब्लम है, तो they can log in through my phone number, my email ID and just download the चालान and give the details.
विकास जी, actually in my case, if I go on depositing the amount in Bharat Kosh, so what reference number I will be giving? Appeal rep, I think they ask for some reference number. No, they just ask for the GST and details.
Only GST and details.
Only GST detail, na? So
yes,
then in future, if they will ask me that where is the payment, I can show that challan. Okay.
हाँ. एकदम, क्योंकि
Yes.
आपका उनका क्या होगा ना, जो नोडल ऑफिसर के पास जाएगा ना सर,
हाँ
नोडल ऑफिसर को दिखेगा कि आपका पेमेंट फेल हो गया है,
हाँ
तो दे शो डिफेक्ट ऑन दैट, तो आप उसमें ये नया चालान अपलोड कर सकते
पर सर मेरे केस में सेम क्लाइंट की 2 अपील्स हैं, एक का एक्सेप्ट हो चुका है, एक का नहीं, तो फिर हम कहेंगे ये इस वाले का वी विल हैव टू रिकंसाइल दैट समथिंग है ना।
हैं। यस यस सर।
Yes,
थैंक
yes.
यू सर।
So now
Arup ji,
the
it's
time
10 a.m.
time हो गया।
now.
हाँ, तो
हाँ.
last question will take of Vinamar sir. So he's saying that if CO is not filed, whether still we can take any grounds during course of hearing, relying upon order 41, rule 22. So sir, practically what we have seen is that the bench members are telling कि आप हमको additional time दे रहे, आप CO file कर दी। तो वो नहीं बोल रहे कि CO फाइल नहीं किया तो आप ग्राउंड्स इसमें डिस्कस कर लीजिए, मतलब यू कैन रेज द ग्राउंड्स, बट व्हाट वी आर सीइंग टिल नाउ, अभी फ्यूचर में जाके वी डोंट नो whether without filing a CO those grounds, additional grounds will be allowed to be taken later on. But as of now, because it happened with the department only, that then they were told कि नहीं ठीक है, आप इसका एक काम कीजिए, आप CO फाइल कर। So with this, I think we'll go to Arpit ji.
अरुण एक इम्पोर्टेंट चीज जो अर्पित जी ने मेंशन की थी रिगार्डिंग दिस टोकन सिस्टम,
हाँ हाँ हाँ
can we take the permission of the house and extend this by 5 minutes and discuss
हाँ,
token
5
system?
minutes. Yes,
Yes, sir.
टोकन
Yes,
के लिए हम
sir.
5 मिनट्स का एक टोकन ले लेते हैं।
Yes.
So token
Arpit
has
ji.
been raised at 10 a.m. so 5 minutes extra मिल गए.
Yes. तो टोकन का 5 मिनट, चलिए अर्पित।
हाँ.
अर्पित जी टोकन सिस्टम पे आप कुछ कह रहे थे सर?
नहीं मैं तो बस वही टोकन सिस्टम का डिस्कशन करना चाह रहा था कि किसी ने टोकन सिस्टम का यूज लिया, फाइल किया क्या टोकन वाला?
कोई नहीं चाहता है सर, तिरुपति में टोकन लेंगे सर, जिस टाइम
हाँ।
लेते हैं ना।
सर वो टोकन सिस्टम के नीचे में डिस्क्लेमर भी आप देखे होंगे, थोड़ा सा टोकन में डिफरेंस होगा तो फिर वो अलाउड नहीं होगा, मतलब
देखिए अरुण जी, मेरा एक मानना है कि टोकन सिस्टम वेयर इट कैन वर्क, ठीक है, मैं डिले पे नहीं कर रहा हूँ, पर सपोजिटली देखिए जहाँ पे अपील्स की टाइम बारिंग, अपील्स टाइम बार्ड है ऑलरेडी कमिश्नर अपील्स के सामने, एंड इट इज एक्सपेक्टेड कि जीएसटी काउंसिल मीटिंग में देयर वुड बी सम रिलीफ फॉर दैट, जो
Right.
न्यूज़ मिल रही है, ठीक है ना? So rather than filing an appeal in such cases, it's better that we take a token on 31st of July, wait for
Okay.
2 months, because in that case, if the amnesty comes and we are able to file before the commission appeal, so that would be helpful. So in my what I have thought upon as an alternative strategy in these cases, wherein the appeal is already time barred and the matter is before the principal bench. So why to go ahead and file an appeal if the option is given to file an appeal before the commission appeals, which is some additional payment. So this is one case wherein the token system can be helpful for the members.
great.
I agree.
Right.
Great.
But
Arun ji, I have a take on this token system.
but
Basically, I mean, immediately post the extension that had come from 30th June to 31st July, what I believe is that maximum appeal, that this basically deadline is applicable both to the dealer as well as the department. And as per my feeling, the department has not come up and filed whatever appeal they wanted to file. So they will be basically misusing this token system. The department will take token by 31st July and have the freedom to file it by 30th of September.
Right.
So we have a lot of surprise waiting after 30th September to come up on the portal that क्या क्या अपीलें हो गई है.
Yes,
जो
Central
dealer
GST has
को
used
सो
with
रहा
the
था
TIN
कि
number also.
मेरा मैटर क्लोज हो गया, उसको शॉक मिलेगा 2 अक्टूबर को कि भाई तेरा मैटर तो लटका हुआ है अभी भी.
नहीं, सेंट्रल जीएसटी से डिन नंबर का ऐसा मिसयूज किया है.
हाँ,
They have generated all the DIN number in
मैं
the
उसी से क्यों ले रहा हूँ सर कि ये इसका मिसयूज डिपार्टमेंट करेगा.
सर सेंट्रल जीएसटी तो पूरा अवेयर है इसके लिए.
चलिए हम लोग करते हैं, देखते हैं. अर्पित जी, I think what you have said, that will be one benefit. But again, as far as I think that since the special bench has been created for all this limitation part, so I don't know whether first stage में वो लोग देंगे कि नहीं amnesty. That is again another thing. अगर वो thought process होता तो इसमें देंगे. But anyways, we can take that risk. I think एक टोकन लेके and उसके साथ तिरुपति में प्रणाम पूजा भी करना पड़ेगा कि amnesty भी आ जाए इसके साथ.
देखिए Arup ji, what I believe is that taking the matter before the principal bench for condonation, it's a foregone conclusion. Only hype is being created, but the matter is well settled by Supreme Court that tribunal does not have a power.
Yes.
Because if the principal bench takes away, and the president has in open forum on 15th of June said that we would not be considering such appeals. So it's just a hype which is being created. Other than that, nothing can be done because this matter has already been taken and considered in
Yeah.
other tribunals.
And also as recent as December 25 in Rohington Daddy Mazda, this has been decided.
So it's only a hype which is being created,
created.
and somewhere down the line, even objection is being raised by the council that why the amicus curiae have been appointed and what is the status of amicus curiae who have been appointed in these cases. Because one of them is a PwC member and second is another member ex-PwC. So who is the amicus curiae? Ultimately, amicus curiae is the person who has a long standing.
Yes.
So even the objection, one of the councils here has raised an objection before the principal bench. So why the amicus curiae has been appointed and who is in that capacity and why we are not being allowed to argue. So again, this is in my opinion. But yes, the token system. Another thing which I feel which needs discussion, that whether if we have generated a token, the bench would be asking what was the difficulty you faced.
Yes, of course.
Or it's a general 31st July token which can be used up to 30th September. Because that instruction is saying nothing about that. That you have to justify a reasonable cause or you have to put a reasonable cause.
Yes,
But
yes, yes.
that will be asked.
I think right now they are liberal view. They should not be asking for that. We can
indirectly 2 महीने का extension हो गया.
Basically, विकास जी ये जो टोकन सिस्टम है, मे बी 1 अगस्त को दे विल नोटिफाई दैट जिसने टोकन लिया है प्लीज गिव द रीजंस. तो सिमिलर टू सेक्शन 44 ADA इनकम टैक्स वाला, जब फॉर्म 1 अप्रैल को नोटिफाई हुआ और उसमें डिटेल्स चेंज हो गई, तो पीपल वर इन अ फिक्स फॉर 25-26.
Sir, I think that उनको ही लग रहा था कि we will again falling for the 2 month extension. So this way they have routed that don't ask for extension like the date of that. So this is the plugin mechanism they have put in.
This was the same thing. This was the same thing which we were using on 30th June. That at least deposit the court fees so that you can see that we are willing and deposit the pre-deposit even if the appeal is not filed. So now they have written it कि आप court fees और pre-deposit छोड़ा आप token generate कर लेना तो मान लेंगे
मान लेंगे वो भी जरूरत नहीं है
कि आप है ना अटेंटिव थे अपने राइट के आप बाद में नहीं जागे.
अर्जुन जी मेरा भी यहाँ पे दूसरा है कि आपका अगर प्री डिपॉजिट पेमेंट नहीं होगा then how can you say that you have attempted to file?
नहीं प्री डिपॉजिट और कोर्ट फीस तो एवरीवन इज रेडी टू पे एंड द ओनली थिंग इज
इसमें भी वो इम्पोर्टेंट है.
हाँ
अच्छा अपना तो टाइम हो गया है, अपना टोकन लेके भी 6 मिनट का एक्सटेंशन हो गया है. So before we close, we have amongst us Gurjeet sir, who is a tech person. So we'll take closing remarks from Gurjeet sir on the token system. If he's, I don't know whether, yeah, sir, would you like to give your views on tokens, sir? I don't know whether he's in a position or he's maybe driving. Yes.
No, sir. It's like all the members are saying, in a way, indirect extension for 2 months, which is there. But reasonable caution while doing that, that also has been discussed. That is the only thing which we were discussing about the condonation of appeals, etc. I think I heard the president in one of the forums is saying that yes, it is settled that the period cannot be condoned. But the point of contention becomes when was the order communicated?
Yes.
So in all those cases where the order was issued manually or how it was conveyed and whether that condonation period, if the communication date can be considered as something else, automatically the condonation period will flow from there. So this bench created regarding this may consider the matters in that light and give something on that. The broader question which Arpit was pointing out that it is already settled, etc., that is there. I think the president and everyone is aware. But this particular part they want to see if they can do something on it. But the discussion as always in the group, and today one of the interesting things was the wider participation and the pre-gathering of defects by our leading personality, Arup sir. So that was already there, and with his experience and also aided by the functioning जो कोलकाता बेंच में हो चुकी है, तो उनका एक्सपीरियंस हमें हमेशा ही काम आता है, आज भी काम आया है. So thank you for all the members and Arupta and all, as always, this group discussion though we are
Thank
meeting after a gap of certain weeks, but it does not feel like that. We are on the same running mode. वो warm up वगैरह होने की कोई जरूरत नहीं पड़ी. Thanks to the topic also and to Arupda sir also.
Thank
Yes,
you,
sir.
sir. Thank you. So thank you, everyone. So,
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Anuj ji, any final remarks you want to have before closing?
Yes, sir. Aruji, just to add what Gurji said, that the matter is foregone conclusion and the communication aspect can be taken up by the bench. And that was openly stated by Honorable President on 15th of June in the national webinar.
Right.
That the date of communication would be can be challenged. Now the question is that whether the principal bench would be taking this matter, because the matter is already before the apex court in case of Bambino. That what would be the date of communication? So, and the decision of Honorable Allahabad High Court has been stayed by the Honorable Apex Court. And secondly, what happens if such ground has not been taken at the appellate stage, because at that time Bambino was not there.
Yes.
So interesting times ahead, and interesting times ahead for the defects also. That how and what defects would be receiving, and I guess that going forward in next 15 to 20 days, most of the bench would be operational and people would be receiving the admission or the defect notices, and the hearing would be started soon. So we are as a SMS we are moving ahead. First we discuss how to file an appeal. Now we are discussing how to remove the defects in the appeal. Now 15-20 days down the line we will do how to argue and what is the experience of the members while appearing for the appeal.
Yes.
Sure.
Thank you very much. Thank you,
Okay,
Arvind.
thank
Thank
you.
you, everyone, for
Thank you
joining.
so
It
much.
was really wonderful.
Thank you so
And have a wonderful weekend day.
Okay.
much.